PC case was never invented for gaming. It was designed over 40 years ago. It was for offices, not gaming. There was no gamers, no streamers, no airflow problem to solve. That means we're still using cases that solves their problems, not ours. It's like running a marathon in sandals. It works, but it's not made for it. That was why I started this journey 4 years ago. And I spent all my saving into doing this. To build a case actually made for gaming. Better airflow, modular design, and built to challenge the rectangular shape. Follow our journey and let's redefine gaming one product at a time.